Aloha everybody, so we are in Waialua at the Paalaa Kai Bakery. Let's go inside and check it out. It's basically a pastry shop, but they have a specialty. There's a number you might have to pick when it's busy, but if they have it covered then you don't need to pick a number, which they had it covered today at this time. Paalaa Kai Bakery is known for their Snow Puffies. There are, I think, $2.70 something cents, so about $3 each. And it's a light flaky type of pastry with like a custard filling inside, and it has powdered sugar on top. It's really good.
I know. It's like how much coconut macaron? 585.
I might get the croissant instead. Because they've got tomato and...
Oh yeah, and they have a separate.
I want this one. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, no. Go ahead, we're looking in here.
Program.
Can you grab your own? Can you grab your own? I don't have
Oh, roast beef.
I need fresh. You do make cream puffs.
No, we get this stuff too.
Okay, 3 puppies. You can leave it over there. That one puppy. And the cookie. Whoa. The other one, 3 puppies. Yeah, 3 puppies. Okay, I got it.
Okay. So we got our snacks and our Snow Puffies now. Don't forget to bring a cooler if you can, if you need to keep it cold longer, because you're supposed to refrigerate the Snow Puffies. We're going to leave Paalaa Kai Bakery and we're going to head to Haleʻiwa now, to the beginning part, to Big Wave Shrimp Truck. Okay, we used to go to the mini mart, which is next to the Paalaa Kai Bakery, and we used to get their fried chicken and their musubis. Just a quick, easy thing to just pick up and go. Pretty good. This is Kaʻamoʻoloa Road. Kaʻamoʻoloa Road. And we are now driving up to Kaukonahua Road, making a left turn onto Kaukonahua Road. Kaukonahua Road. Okay, so let's call this a road around, because you ride around in a circle in this thing. Just make sure you're following the signs. We're going to pass this one that says Wahiawa, Honolulu, because we're not going there. We're going to go to the next one. The next one should be the one that takes us to Haleʻiwa. Just watch for the signs. It could be a yield sign or a stop sign. Okay, here's the Haleʻiwa one. So we're now entering Haleʻiwa town. And just so you know, we are on Kamehameha Highway right now. Kamehameha Highway goes all the way through Haleʻiwa town. Okay, so we are making this left turn here into this parking lot. And on the right side, you can see Big Wave Shrimp. decorations up. Konnichiwa.
Can I get number 8?
Number 8.
8 peeled garlic shrimp. Yeah. You can get here or there's a surf and turf too. Are you gonna say here or no? You know? You don't have to.
Yeah, I'll get.
Can I?
I'll get the coconut shrimp.
This one, number 8.
And then number 4. Yeah.
And then can we use it? We had two free drinks. We get free drinks.
Oh, cool. Bonus.
Get water and soda.
Okay. I'm gonna get a soda. What are you gonna get? Green tea. No, I don't see green tea. I see juice.
Okay, so.
Which one?
Oh, no tea, yeah. Okay, maybe I don't want to drink water. 'Cause I have water in my
Grab a juice or something.
Yeah, what is? Yeah, okay. Here, strawberry orange.
Yeah, it's okay. Thank you.
Oh, that's mine.
That's okay, you can grab mine.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, we're here at Big Wave Shrimp Truck out at Haleʻiwa. This is Cheryl's favorite garlic shrimp place. So we took a short excursion out here. Short. We went to Paalaa Kai Bakery too. So, anyways, let's dig in.
What you got?
I got the coconut shrimp. Coconut shrimp. I can't handle the garlic. It messes up my stomach. It's so much butter and garlic. That's why.
Yummy.
That's what Cheryl got. She got the peeled garlic shrimp. What's it called?
Yeah, peeled garlic shrimp.
Okay.
Yeah.
But it has a lot of butter and it's sitting in the butter.
It's okay. Look, I got pineapple and lettuce to go with it.
Yeah.
Balance it out.
All right.
So good. Oh, is it good?
No. You want to try it? There's so much. Do you want to try? Try one.
I got it.
Just try one so you know why you get that instead.
Okay. Or maybe I'll like that better and get that next
I don't think so.
No. Oh. I like coconut.
This is good. But for you, I think you like the garlic shrimp thing.
Their shrimp is bigger.
think
Is
they
it
cut it.
different-
No,
they
they
use different ones?
they cut it in half, I think, and then they spread it out.
Well, I thought it was maybe 2 shrimps inside.
Yeah, we'll take and then go.
This one a little.
No, just take a whole one.
Oh no, I just want like to tear off a bit.
Shrimp though, it's hard to do that.
No, see?
Oh, all right. Here, dip it in the sauce.
Looks like that chili sauce.
Yeah, it's a mild chili sauce.
Oh, it is good.
But which do you like better?
They're both good.
They're both good. I thought automatically you would have said the garlic shrimp was better for you. You like this kind of thing?
too.
This is so good. I usually like mac salad too, or potato salad, but it's nice having a green salad too with the plantains sometimes. This piece of pineapple.
Oh, I got a big one. Got a big chunk today. Wow. Ooh, that is so good.
Snow puffies.
Wait, there's a picture.
Snow puffies, not puppies. I'm gonna eat 2. Cheryl's gonna eat 1. No, just kidding. Our third one's for carry-on.
Carry on. No need. Just
You have
lick,
a napkin?
just lick your face. I have this one.
So good.
I'm messy. Oh, you missed your plate.
Super messy.
That's so good.
Look at that. So good. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it, and if you haven't subscribed to us yet, please subscribe. All right, everybody, take care. Thank you for watching. Aloha.
I have all over my face.
Yeah, well, no, just on your lips. If you lick your lips, you're good.
Okay. Wait, I'm not done yet.
Yeah, no sense clean up yet.